going to show you how to make some cute DIY candy sleds. For each candy sled, you'll need a regular size Kit Kat bar, 10 Hershey's miniature candy bars, and 2 candy canes. Use a low temperature glue gun to glue 4 of the Hershey's miniatures onto the Kit Kat bar. Next, you'll glue on 3 more chocolates to make a second row. Now glue on 2 chocolates over the top to make the third row. Add 1 last chocolate to the top. I glued on a cute little bow to the top to finish it off. For the base of the sled, you'll need 2 candy canes. Add a strip of hot glue to the top end of the candy cane and place it under the sled. Hold it in place while the glue cools. Then repeat the same step with the other candy cane. And that's it. I love how cute these DIY candy sleds turn out. These candy sleighs make super cute treats that kids can make for their friends at school or that adults can make for kids.